Hi everyone, and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass the Algebra 2 Common Core Regents. We're doing this one question at a time. Here is question 14. The J&B Candy Company claims that 45% of the candies it produces are blue, 30% are brown, and 25% are yellow. So I'm just going to underline these. So 45% are blue, 30 are brown, and 25 yellow, and I just made some notes on the side here. Each bag holds 65 candies. Okay, so a total of 65. The simulation was run 200 times, each of the sample size 65, based on the premise that 5% of the candies are blue. The results of the simulation are shown below. So this kind of looks like a normal distribution, but maybe a little bit off, but let's see. So Bonnie purchased a bag of J&B's candy and counted 24 blue candies. What inference can be made regarding a bag of J&B's with only 24 blue candies? So basically, we have to do a little math here. If 45% are supposed to be blue, and there's a total of 65 in each bag, how many are we supposed to have in there? We're supposed to have like about 29 blue candies. But they're saying that Bonnie got 24 blue candies. Before we even look at this question, let's just look at this chart here, this dot plot. If the goal is 29 blue candies, if you look at 29, it's the highest number there is, and it seems to be somewhat evenly distributed about this mean here. And the mean is 29.27. So it looks like the company is doing okay. So we want to look for an answer when we're looking at these answer choices here. So the company is not meeting their production standard. So no, that's not what that means. Bonnie's bag was a rarity and the company should not be concerned. So not exactly. So if it's very distributed. It's not exactly rare that it was at 24. So that's not true. The company should change their claim to 37% blue candies are produced. So definitely not. 37% is less, and this is definitely the highest number. And the last choice is Bonnie's bag is within the middle 95% of the simulated data, supporting the company's claim. So yes, so she had, so this is like the mean over here. We have mu, and then she had 24, which is over here. So if you look at this difference here, you know that this is included in that 95% of the simulated data, because 95% is plus or minus 2 standard deviations away from the mean, which is definitely included here. So this is our answer, choice 4. For question number 15, we have another statistics kind of question. Which investigation technique is most often used to determine if a single variable has an impact on a given population? So these are memorization kind of questions. The answer is controlled experiment. I don't have much else to say about this kind of question, so we're just going to move on. Here's question 16. As theta increases from negative pi over 2 to 0 radians, the value of cosine of theta will... So let's graph out cosine of theta. So cosine of theta, remember, it has that V shape, and it starts at pi over 2. And it's asking when it goes from minus pi over 2 or minus 90 degrees to 0. So let's draw that out. So it always starts at 1 and makes that V shape. So we know it's going to go down. So notice it's going from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, that is choice 4. And that's our answer. Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!